Hi everyone, I've had a lot of questions about how to make a Bitmoji for your classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through that. First things first, you need to make a Bitmoji on the Bitmoji app. You're going to choose at least one photo, maybe 10 if you love Bitmojis and you want them all over your class. But right now we're going to work with the one photo that I've chosen, and I use a silhouette to cut my Bitmoji out. So I'm going to be using the Silhouette Studio software. Once I have my Bitmoji picture, I've got my file open, I'm going to go to File and Open to grab my Bitmoji image and bring it on in. I am just going to do this in black and white, so I'm not worried I'm going to scale this image. It might be a little fuzzy on the edges, but I am okay with that. You can also do a print and cut if you wanted to print the whole image and keep the color on. So you could print it and do your silhouette cut just around the edges. But in my case, I'm going to do black and white, so I've scaled it to about the size I want. I'm going to just move it just where I want it. It's easier for me to work that way. The first thing I'm going to do is trace this image. So I'm going to go to my panels option and trace. I'm going to select my trace image. I'm going to select it all and trace. So once I have this traced, I'm just going to drag my original photo away. I'm going to delete it, and this is what I have to work with. If I wanted if I wanted to cut out everything, this is ready to go. But let's say there's something I don't want, in this case, the high. So I'm going to select my image here. I'm going to right click, right on it, and click Release Compound Path. So what it did was it individualized every little piece of my image. So now I need to just select what I want to delete and click delete. So this is what I want to work with. The last thing I need to do is highlight everything one more time, right click, and make that a compound path again, so that when I go to print this, it is ready to go. So my next step would be to send this on to my silhouette to cut out for me. Have fun making your Bitmojis.